Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed.
Hello YouTube, what is going on? This is my new Dell ultra-wide monitor, which offers an immersive cinematic experience. So it's actually pretty impressive when I started to unpackage it, but I was actually expecting it to be a bit bigger. Most probably it's not the same expectation as for other people because I'm really a large guy, but I can guarantee you that this monitor offers a really elegant experience with exceptional clarity and fine details. Now the bad part is that this monitor consumes like 32 kilowatts per hour, which is a lot. It's a class G, which is actually the last in the list from a consumption perspective. Even though Dell Technologies is promoting sustainability and its efforts to reduce the impact on the environment during the life cycle of the product, it still consumes a lot. The impressive curved style, the modern and elegant design with subtle texture pattern on the back will actually look perfect in any home. The ports that this monitor has is actually one security slot, one power connector, two HDMI 2.0 ports. It has a support lock feature, it has a display port, USB 3.0 stream port, USB 3.0 downstream port, USB 3.0 port with BC 1.2 charging and two speakers. The two built-in HDMI ports allow you to always connect to your devices and switch effortlessly between streaming and game console. Another amazing thing is that with the power nap utility that the monitor has, you will save energy when the monitor is not in use, a feature that lowers the brightness or puts the monitor to sleep when not in use. I also choose this monitor because it has a 5-watt speakers built in it with a superior sound quality, although it doesn't offer a louder experience than my laptop. More detailed, the stunning colors that it offers, the vertical alignment, the display technology offers an expanded contrast ratio of 3000:1. This will bring you intense colors in any recreational games, smooth clear experience with the AMD FreeSync technology that it offers, and a refresh rate up to 100 Hz. Also, this monitor is STU certified, has a flicker-free screen with comfort view technology, which reduces harmful blue light emissions. Now the bad part is that this monitor has a 4 millisecond response time, which is actually not great for gaming, and you can also feel that when you're watching a really high effect movie. Okay guys, so that was more or less the technical part which I was describing, but there are also some other features that I like or I don't like. And one of the most interesting things is actually that you can split the screen if you install the driver, which you can find on the Dell site, but you can also split screen into 4 small windows which you can use in order to maximize your work. For example, you can have small 4 windows open like Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio Git, another window on Google where you search on Stack Overflow some solutions, or maybe you don't code and you have like 3 or 4 charts open for trading, for example, and maybe you just do the transactions on your laptop. And maybe you just do video editing and you can have Shortcut or maybe DaVinci Resolve open on your whole screen, and then you can just enjoy that. Another plus is that you can adjust the monitor according to height and also the angle, but there's a downside on that. It can be only adjusted to the height for 100 millimeters. But I would actually recommend you to buy an extendable arm which can adjust according to your needs for the height. Even more with the angle, you can adjust it above you if you want to lean back on your chair and have even more comfortable position during your work. Another interesting thing is that if you split the screens, you can play games and also have the game console on the same monitor, which is actually awesome for gaming. Now the movie quality and details are actually impressive, as you can see, but there's also a downside. It's the refresh rate. If the monitor is like 24 inches, the black bars are usually on the top, but now the black bars are actually on the sides, as you can see here. And that also depends on the provider. For example, on HBO Go, I have these black bars on the sides. Alright guys, this is pretty much all about this monitor. I hope all the details that I shared here are helping you in a way or another, and it gives you some insight. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. Please let me know if you have any thoughts, any comments, leave them below, and see you on the next video.
Welcome back.